Hello and welcome to softexpert. In today's video I'll be showing you how you can create a WordPress website using Kadence theme. And basically this is a multi-purpose WordPress theme which is free, and you can use this for creating different websites with the help of their starter templates that I'll be showing you later in this video. And here you can see you can customize the website using Gutenberg editor, which is the normal WordPress editor, and you can make changes to the text, to the alignment, and you can also make changes to the columns, to the column width, and so on. And as I mentioned, there are a number of templates available that you can import with one click, and then you can customize. And you can also change the colors right in the beginning, even before the import. And you can also change the font families just like this. Without wasting your time, let me get into it and let me show you how you can get this theme and how you can set this up. And as I said, this is a free theme, so you can just go to the link in the description and you can click on get started. And this will take you to this pricing page where you can see this is free and forever. You can get started with free. You can use their starter templates, Kadence theme, and Kadence blocks. And if you need their extra features like their Pro plugins and all the Pro plugins, you can go with any of these plans. For now, let's start it with the free version. We will click on get started, and this will take you to download page where you can click on download for free. And here write your email. Then you can check to download the Kadence theme and download Kadence block and download starter sites. Okay. You can uncheck both of these because we only need the theme, and then click on subscribe and download. Now this will give you a zip file that you can just upload to your WordPress themes folder. Okay. And now to create any website, the first thing you need is domain and hosting. And domain will be your website name, which will be unique, and after typing your URL, your domain name, people will land on your page. For example, if I open a new tab and I type softexpert.pk, this will take me to my website, and this is because this is my domain name and I have my website here. Another popular example of domain name are google.com, facebook.com, youtube.com, and so on. And hosting in simple words is an online storage where your website files will be stored, where you can manage your domain, your databases, file manager, your SSL certificates. You can create domain name emails, and you can also create subdomains, add-on domains, and so on. And there are multiple platforms that provide you domain and hosting. The one I would recommend is hostinger.com, and there is a discount link in the description. Once you go there, it will take you to this page, and here you can get a normal hosting or a WordPress hosting, as we are creating WordPress websites, so that's why I'm on WordPress page. And the reason for suggesting this hosting is the pricing. Here you will get a free domain, free website migration, 24-hour support, and so on. And if you want to check the pricing plans, you can scroll down here, and you can see this is the premium one, business, and cloud startup. And here you can also notice the pricing. Here on the first plan, you can host up to 100 websites. You will get this amount of storage, weekly backups, and so on. And on this plan, you can also host 100 websites. This is better in speed. We have 200 GB of NVMe storage, a daily backup, free emails, unlimited SSL, and so on. You can check these features and you can select the plan that you need. And most cases, this will be fine for you. You can just add this to cart, or if you need this one, you can add this to cart. And it will take you to the cart page where you can see you are almost there. Complete your order. And here you can see the summary of your plan. You can scroll down. You can buy this hosting for 1 month, 12, 24, or 48 months. So the more time you choose here, the more discount you will get. Here you can see you can save up to 432 USD. And you can scroll down. You can create a free account here, or you can sign up using your Facebook or Google. And then you can pay with credit card, PayPal, Google Pay, and so on. And you can see in just 143 you will get a free domain and this hosting for 4 years. Okay. One more thing is, if you are from Pakistan, the link in the description will take you to hostinger.pk, and you can again see the pricing in rupees, and you can add any to cart. And you can see the pricing is just 859 rupees, and it also includes 1 year free domain. This is for 4 years, which is a good deal. And the next thing is you can also pay with EasyPaisa, JazzCash, and HBL from Pakistan. Also the Alpha wallet is there. So you can follow the link in the description and you can get a domain name and hosting. And after buying a domain and hosting, you will get a dashboard like this. This is the domain name, and this is my hosting plan. You can see business with hosting. Okay. And now let's see how we can install WordPress on our domain. If I visit this domain, there is nothing. You are all set to go. Now we just need to install WordPress here. Okay. Let's go back. And to install WordPress, you can go to website, and here you will see WordPress. If you don't see here, you can go to auto installer and you will find WordPress there. Just click on it. And here you can detect WordPress on your domain name. I know that there is no WordPress installed in this domain, so I can just click on install WordPress. And this will open up a pop-up where you can write your website title, for example. And here you can write admin email and username and password for your WordPress dashboard. Okay. And that's it. Just click next. And here you can choose the WordPress version. This is the latest one, which is fine. You can also select your website language. These are fine. And here you can select update to minor version and then click install. And that's it. This is how you can install WordPress on your domain. And now you will see a different dashboard. Here you can see. Now we can edit our website. We have this plugin installed. And we also have the WordPress latest version, the PHP version, and the daily backup is enabled. Now to go to your WordPress dashboard, you can just click on edit website. And this is the WordPress dashboard where we can install themes and plugins and we can start creating the website. Now to upload the theme, you can go to Appearance, Themes, and here we don't have any theme. So let's click on Add New, Upload Theme, we'll choose File and we'll select the Kadence theme, okay? Then just open and install now. And theme uploaded successfully, we can go ahead and activate it. And once you activate the theme, you will see this notice, okay? Install Kadence starter templates. This is a free plugin that is required for importing the demo content and for running this theme properly. So just click on install Kadence starter templates. And this will take you to this page, okay? And here you can see there are multiple starter sites available. These are complete websites that you can import and then you can customize. So you can see number of templates are available. Here you can filter these by course, events, business, photography and so on. And you can also filter these by pro and free. If you need only the free templates, you can click on it. Now you will only see the free templates. And you can also choose a page builder for this, like this is Gutenberg. If you switch to Elementor, then we have these templates available for Elementor only. So now we can import any of these and we can start customizing them using Elementor, okay? So let's choose any of these templates. For example, the real estate, I'll click on it. And now you can preview the whole theme here. So this is the home page. And you can also explore other pages like services, about, contact and blog. And as I mentioned earlier, you can change the colors and the font family. If you don't like this color, you can switch to another one, just like this. Now this will be our main colors. And if you don't like the font family, you can switch the font family here, just like this. You will notice the changes here, okay? And if you don't have idea about the font family, you can search for Google Fonts in Google and then go to first link. And here you will see a number of fonts that you can get idea from. And you can also filter these by specific categories, like if you scroll down, here you will see classification. Let's say I need only handwriting, so I can click on it. Now I will only see handwriting font. So you can get the fonts idea from Google Fonts. This is also free, by the way, if you want to download any font family. Let's go back and let's say the initial fonts are fine, so I can just reset it and that's it. And these are the required plugins for this specific demo that will also be installed while importing this demo. And last option is for importing. So if you want to import only the single page, which is the home page, you can click on it. And if you want all the pages with all the images and so on, you can click on full site. So it's better to import the full site instead of the home page. Let's click on it. And here you can write your email and click on subscribe and start importing. Or you can skip this step. Just start importing here. And this will start importing the starter site. So let's wait for this. And import complete. Finished. You can view your website now. So let's visit our website. I got the complete website on my domain name, where we have apartments, houses, offices, and so on. Now this website is very easy to customize. You can just click on edit with Elementor on any page and you will be able to edit that specific page, okay? Just click on it. This will open up Elementor where we can customize this website. And now to make changes to the heading, you can click on it. You can change the heading here. Just write your own text. If you want to change the colors, you can go to style and here you can change the color just like this. And you can also change the font family, font sizes, under typography, and you can add stroke and shadow to this text also, okay? Same goes for this text. You can change the text here, you can change the style here. And also for the button, you can change the text here, you can change the link here, you can link this to a specific page or external link. You can change the button sizing, you can go to style, and in the same way you can change the button colors also. Let's scroll down. If you want to change the image, you can click on it, then click here. And here you can upload your own image and you can change the images. Or you can select from media library. Here you will find all the images from your website, okay? Just select an image and then click select and that will change the image here. Same goes for this text and so on. And you can click on it This is an image box, so you can change the image, the title and description. I'm not covering this in much detail. I have Elementor tutorials on my channel, you can watch them and you can learn more about Elementor. And then lastly, you can click on update to save your changes. So this is how you can make changes to the main pages. Now if you want to make changes to the header, to the logo and the menus and also to the footer, you will need to go to customize page. To go there, you can visit your website and then just click customize. This will open up customization page. So again, you can change the colors and fonts here. And here you can change the button style, like the button text color, background colors, border colors and so on. And to make changes to the header, you can click on it and here you can change the logo, or if you hover over here you can click on it. This will open up logo. You can change the logo by clicking here and here you can upload your own logo. And if you don't want to display logo, you can display your title here, or you can display logo, title and tagline. Let's go back. This is the primary navigation, which is this new menu. You can make changes to it. You can click here and you can change the animations also. Then this is the header design. So now we are using a transparent header. You can make this sticky. So if you click here, this is not sticky if you enable this. And now if I scroll down, you can see this is now a sticky header, for which we can make changes to the new menu style. We can change the logo and so on. Let's disable this for now. And in the same way, you can make changes to the footer. And this is the first widget. So you can click here and here you can change this title and this text. Okay. Same goes for this one. You can click on it and you can change the office and the office address. You can add another widget here and you can also make changes to these links and also to the copyright text. So this is how you can make changes to the header and the footer and also to the menu. You can make it sticky and so on. And at the end, just click on publish to see your changes. So this is how you can install and set up Kadence WordPress theme. This is a free theme that you can use for multi-purposes. Again, the theme link is in the description. To learn more about WordPress, Elementor and WooCommerce, just visit my channel. I have lots of videos about WordPress. And still, if you have any questions about this video, you can ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next.